Well, London B. Johnson was in office when this car was built. Hey guys, Andrew from REV-X here. Just wanted to share with you guys quickly that we are going to try to do something different. We are going to be putting a vehicle together for draganddrive events. Boss has allowed us to pick out a vehicle after saying no to 4 other vehicles. Hey, can we use this?
No.
Can we use this one?
Hell no.
I took mom for a ride in that one.
Get away from the Datsun.
What?
Step away.
He has allowed us to pick a 65 Chevy Station Wagon that was previously raced. It was built the first week in November 1965 in a plant in Kansas City, Missouri. It's a 4-door station wagon with 2 seats. That's it? That's not a station wagon, that's a fucking hearse is what it was. 6-cylinder, 3.2-liter engine, rated at 120 horsepower. And its original paint color, Danube Blue. Now, it has no motor, no transmission in it. It was raced from 71 to 94, and it was left in a garage. We're going to transform this thing into a monster. We are going to take you along the journey of putting this thing together to see if we can go out and hurt people's feelings and make people cry. So let's get to it. What motor did the boss say we could use in this thing?
I think you wanted that big one.
Ooh, the Apache blower motor?
I think so.
That'd be sweet.